Hello, Asta here. Welcome to today's video. So today I will be filming this gorgeous pink makeup look that is perfect for Christmas time because it's something different. It's not your typical brown and gold makeup. So if you want to see how I created using the Bperfect Clientele palette, just keep on watching. So I have my eyelids prepped already with MAC paint pot and set with translucent Laura Mercier powder. So now I'm going straight into the Bperfect Clientele palette and I'm taking a color called Darling on the MAC 217 and just gently starting to build this color in the outer V of my eye. So I'm placing this color onto my lid and a little bit into my crease, just doing a tapping motion, and then whatever is left on the brush I'm just gently swiping it forward and back into my crease, and then repeating the same step for the other eye. Then I'm taking my big fluffy brush from my Kitco and color called Blush. I'm just using this color to diffuse the harsh edges in the crease. So I'm trying to create a cat eye shape, so I'm just extending the eyeshadow out towards my temples. And then going back to the Darling color and just intensifying this color on the outer V even more. Just repeating the previous step, tapping that on and blending it out using another brush and color called Blush. Then I'm switching to a smaller brush, and this one is Morphe M507, and I'm taking color GG and then applying that on the outer V and trying to intensify that outer part of the eye even more. This time I'm just keeping this color more on the outer part and not going all the way into the central part. I'm going back with a bigger brush and just blending the edges so it's nice and soft. And then repeating the same step on the other eye. Just to make my eyes more defined, I'm taking color Boy and MAC 221 and I'm applying that into my crease. And I'm using circular motions and keeping this color kind of on the outer part and a little bit in the center, but not going all the way in. And then going back with the fluffy brush with no product and just diffusing the edges. Then applying some Becca Shimmer and Skin Perfectant Spotlight on the lid just to have a little bit of sticky base for my next eyeshadow, and using my finger to tap that on. And then I'm going straight into the palette and taking color Pink Rose and pressing that onto the lid. Applying this color more on the central part of my lid and keeping inner part of my tear duct free of product for now. And to create a little transition from my lid color to the darker outer V, I'm taking color Minx from the palette and a flat synthetic brush, gently kind of brushing these two colors together where they meet. Then for the inner part of my eye, I'm taking color Glow Up from the palette and using the same brush, just the other side, and applying that into the inner part of my eye to give more of a highlight effect. Next I'm taking my brush Sigma E41 and a black color from the palette called Just Black, and applying that color a little bit on the outer V just to give more of an intense look. And for the bottom part of my eyes, I'm just taking color Blush and Morphe M507 and applying that underneath my lower lash line. Then I'm taking color GG and using the same brush to deepen up the underneath the eye area. And smoking that out using a small brush. This one is a Sigma L04. Then I'm cleaning up the underneath the eye area using a little bit of moisturizer and a Q-tip. So this step removes any fallout that I had, which is a little bit of it. Same time I can fix my shape. Then I'm applying some mascara and popping on some false lashes. To do a little highlighter underneath the brow bone, I'm just taking Soft and Gentle from MAC, a small brush, and just gently highlighting the underneath the brow area. So I have the rest of my face applied and this is how my eyes look. I absolutely love these colors for Christmas as well because it's not your normal typical browns and golds, but you can always play and use pinks and burgundies, which is always so nice to change up things a little bit. So I think it would be perfect for Christmas makeup, for Christmas party makeup, or else if you're a lover of pink. I just want to say thank you so much for watching again, and I hope you enjoyed this mini tutorial using my Clientele palette. Absolutely love this palette. It's such a versatile palette. You can create so many different looks. And if you did like it, please give me thumbs up. That would be a big help. Also subscribe to my channel if you want to see future videos from me, and if you don't want to miss my videos every week that I post on Fridays, make sure to press that bell button there as well. So for now, I'm saying goodbye, and I'll see you all next week.